here to tell you, if you're like me, I struggled for a long time. When Babe wasn't here, when I'm home alone by myself, I would just go out and get something quick, fast food, something unhealthy, you know, all that stuff. I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it. Low carb, high protein, healthy, quick, fresh ingredients, no preservatives. I'm cutting these peppers. It's not pretty, it's easy, it's quick, it's inexpensive, it's healthy. It's a Tuesday night. This is gonna get me through the rest of the week. This is exciting stuff. Literally, you're in the kitchen right now. This is behind the scenes look. We got the crock pot set up. This is gonna be a real low, easy, overnight cook. I'm gonna put it in right now. Just got home from work. It's 5:30 at night. We're gonna have something different for dinner, but for the rest of the week, I'm gonna set myself up. Listen to this. Diced tomatoes, crushed red pepper, ground cumin, salt, pepper, 3 good quality peppers, an onion, obviously like 4 chicken breasts, all of that in this crock pot overnight on, I'm gonna probably put it on low because my crock pot on low gets hot. So I'm gonna probably put it on warm. I'm saying low, warm, low, warm. My crock pot gets hot. So I'm gonna probably put it on right now, 5 o'clock. I'm gonna get it off at 5 o'clock in the morning, 12-hour cook on warm in the crock pot. Here we go. There might be a little noise from the dishwasher in the background. I'm also doing dishes. This is like what the guy home alone by himself does on a Tuesday night. Anyway, let's cut the peppers. I'm not a big fan of cutting onions. I don't really even know how to cut onions. So let's peel this back. Literally big chunks. This is a long cook. Literally the prep time on this meal, less than 10 minutes. This is a chicken that I got. Chicken breast, boneless, skinless, hand trimmed, family pack. Basically, I just want like 4 big chicken breasts, extra lean, good quality chicken. We're gonna put that on top of the bell peppers and the onions. These are ready to go in. These are big. So yeah, right on top of the onions and the peppers. There you go, diced tomatoes, 14 ounces. Just gonna pour it right over the top of the chicken. Make sure the chicken's covered. Ground cumin, 2 teaspoons. Sprinkle that over the top. Crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon. We could do a half a teaspoon if you want, but go with 1 whole one. Of course, our fresh ground black pepper, need a lot of that. Of course, our salt. All right, so it's gonna look something like that. We got our onions, peppers, 4 chicken breasts, all of our stuff on the top, ready for our cook. All right, so if you keep it on low, you're gonna do it about 6 hours. I am gonna do it 12 hours. I'm gonna keep it on warm only. You obviously want the chicken to be cooked all the way through. You want it to be super, super tender. When chicken cooks in the crock pot, it's gonna give out its own juices along with the tomato sauce and all that stuff. So it's really gonna come together tomorrow morning. So then when we pull the chicken out tomorrow morning, we're gonna slice it real thin. We're gonna serve it up. We can do guacamole, salsa, sour cream, cheese, tortillas, whatever you want. I'm just gonna probably eat it straight up like that. I just want the protein, low carb. It's gonna be really flavorful. Been trying to really keep it clean during the week, working a lot of cardio and some weightlifting, trying to learn more about that. So really easy recipe, really quick to do. You can see the prep time, like 10 minutes, and I cut everything, inexpensive. Let me show you guys these tortillas real quick though. In case you wanted to add some carbs in, I really like these tortillas. Check this out. These are the jam right here. Uncooked. You cook them yourself, kind of. They are really, really good. No preservatives, all fresh, no cholesterol. These are like really good. I'm really a fan of these tortillas. If we want to add those in, that's definitely a possibility. So keep that in mind. Let's put this on. All right. See you guys tomorrow morning when we're gonna cut it up. Hello. and welcome back to the next morning. It's approximately 5:45 in the morning, 6 o'clock. Just returned home from the gym. Crockpot's now been going for 13 hours on warm, and it's time to crack open the lid, prepare our lunch, put some in the refrigerator for later, and head to work. So let's see the final product. Smells fantastic. Oh look, the chicken's just shredding already. And look at how much juice is in there. And remember, the only liquid that we put in was the tomatoes. So we gotta shred this up. Trying to lose weight, keep the weight off, build muscle, all that stuff. Obviously, a lot of people, including myself, eat a lot of chicken. Chicken gets boring after a while. So these little crock pot recipes, like the other one that I showed you last week, and this one is really a great way to have really flavorful food, good meal prep, good dinner options. You could throw carbs in with it if you want, or not. Either way, dress it up however you want, and it's easy and it's quick. So let's look at the final product, and I'm off to work.